it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Hey guys, it's me Maya again, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a natural eyebrow. I'm going to show you how to fill them in, how to do them, and also how I grew out my eyebrows and how I made them quite thick. Right now I don't have anything on my eyebrows, but I feel like I grew them out a lot because back in grade 5 I had a bad tweezers accident. But thank goodness I actually grew them back. So around 4 to 5 months ago, I made a similar video back in February on how to do your eyebrows, but those eyebrows were more like the Instagram sharp on fleek eyebrows, but those were the eyebrows I used to do. But now, like, as the time has passed, I feel like my makeup style has changed a bit, and I feel like I've changed a bit in looks as well, and unfortunately I feel like I glowed down. So that's a little sad, but with that, I've also learned new makeup tricks and what I like to do for makeup. And recently I've been going for more of like a natural glowy look, and part of the natural look I've been trying to go for more of a natural brow. Right now I don't have anything on my eyebrows, but I think I already said that, I'm not sure. But I'm going to show you guys how I recently like to do my eyebrows. Like, they're really like thick and full, but natural and wispy. So yeah. Without further ado, I can't, like, someone needs to count how many times I make a mistake in one video, because I make a mistake so many times. I can't speak, like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyways, sorry about that. If you are interested, please do subscribe and like this video, and comment down below if you have any summer plans. I'm going to be going to Japan, and I'll also be vlogging there, so please subscribe if you're interested in that. So yeah, I'm actually really excited. So yeah, without further ado, I can't speak. Without further ado, let's get started. By the way, sorry about this really bad, ugly lighting. The weather is so bad and ugly. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys first how I grew out my eyebrows and how I also grew out my eyelashes. So every night I put on black castor oil. It's called Extra Dark Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is what it looks like, and I've been using this for a few months now, and I've noticed like immediate results. And then as I used it more and more, like, the results were so amazing. And basically all I did is I just took it and put it on my eyebrows and eyelashes, and then slept overnight and then washed it off in the morning. And seriously, it helps grow back your eyebrows so quickly if you want thicker eyebrows, or also if you want to grow your eyelashes. I've been doing that for my eyelashes as well, and it helped grow my eyelashes a bit. Like, I still have pretty short eyelashes, but they were even shorter. So yeah, so I definitely recommend castor oil. If you want me to make a more in-depth video, please let me know, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, that's how I grew out my eyebrows. Okay, so to do natural eyebrows, the first thing I do is take a spoolie and brush my eyebrows upwards. Okay, and the most important part for doing natural eyebrows is instead of using like eyebrow pomade or something really thick, I use something pretty light, like an eyebrow pencil. In my last video with the Instagram eyebrows, I used eyebrow pomade, and I find that you can, when you use it, it's really easy to make it really dark. So I recommend using an eyebrow pencil to keep it light and natural. So I fill my eyebrows in with the eyebrow pencil. But even while doing that, I always like to make sure to keep the color on the outside and then don't put anything on the inside here, because then it helps you get a better fade. So then after that, I use this like little sponge thing that comes with my eyebrow pencil just to blend it out.
Let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden.
Then I take my spoolie and just brush it all out again, and this will help it keep the color looking natural.
They can never break us down, 'cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, 'cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, 'cause we're golden. They can never break us down.
And lastly, to keep it in place and give your eyebrow a fluffy look, I use some eyebrow gel, and I've been recently using this Make Me Brow one from Essence, and it is a really good dupe for the Gimme Brow eyebrow gel from Benefit. I think it's Benefit, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Benefit. So yeah, I'm just gonna comb that through my eyebrows. And there you go, your natural eyebrow look is done. They look really fluffy and light, but also really natural and formed at the same time. So yeah, as always, I'm gonna show you guys from different lightings. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos. Well, I try to post weekly. And by the way, I'd like to apologize. I'm so sorry my posting schedule has been so bad. I've been just really busy for preparing for the PATs and the end of the year. And next year I'm going to high school, which is so crazy. But I hope you guys can understand. I'm so sorry about my weird posting schedule. But anyways, thank you guys. Thank you to all of you guys who've been sticking with me, or thank you if you're just watching my videos, even if you're new. I appreciate every... Did you hear that? My family is literally insane. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!